As a Zorin 18.1 user, there is a very particular kind of anticipation that builds over time. It is not the same kind of excitement people feel waiting for flashy smartphone launches or annual hardware refreshes. It is quieter, more deliberate, and somehow more personal. It comes from using an operating system every day, learning its quirks, appreciating its strengths, and slowly becoming invested in what comes next. For many users, Zorin OS is not just another Linux distribution. It represents a carefully designed compromise between accessibility and power, simplicity and customization, familiarity and innovation. So when the next release is anticipated, it is not simply about downloading a new ISO file, it is about wondering what the future of that carefully balanced experience will look like. For those who have spent months or even years on Zorin 18.1, the system has likely become a comfortable digital home. It is the kind of operating system that quietly gets out of the way and lets users focus on what they actually want to do. Whether that means working, gaming, browsing, creating, or simply exploring the Linux ecosystem, Zorin has built its reputation on reducing friction. It offers a polished desktop environment that feels familiar enough for users migrating from Windows, while still preserving the freedom and flexibility that define Linux. This familiarity creates attachment, and attachment naturally creates anticipation for what comes next. There is something special about using a Linux distribution that values refinement over chaos. Many distributions release updates at a rapid pace, often prioritizing the newest packages and experimental features over long-term polish. Zorin has traditionally taken a different route. It moves carefully, often slower than users might like, but with a deliberate focus on delivering a stable and cohesive experience. That slower cadence can sometimes test patience, especially for users eager for fresh features. Yet it is precisely this restraint that makes each major release feel significant. When the next version finally arrives, it usually represents months or years of thoughtful development, rather than rushed iteration. As users of Zorin 18.1 look ahead, they are likely asking the same questions. What changes will define the next release? Will the visual design evolve dramatically or remain comfortably familiar? Will performance improve enough to feel noticeably smoother on older hardware? Will there be deeper compatibility improvements for applications and gaming? These are not idle curiosities. For Linux users, an operating system release often shapes the daily computing experience for years. Choosing whether to upgrade is not always a trivial decision. It involves trust in the developers and confidence that the new version will preserve what made the previous release worth using. One of the biggest reasons for this anticipation lies in the desktop environment itself. Zorin's custom desktop has always been one of its strongest selling points. It provides a polished interface that feels instantly approachable while still offering room for personalization. Many users who arrived from Windows found comfort in the taskbar layout, familiar menus, and intuitive settings. At the same time, experienced Linux users appreciated the flexibility hidden beneath that approachable surface. The next release carries the expectation that this balance will be pushed even further. Users want modernization without sacrificing familiarity. They want innovation without disruption. Visual refinement is likely near the top of every user's wish list. Modern operating systems are judged not only by functionality, but by how they feel to use. Smooth animations, cohesive iconography, thoughtful spacing, and responsive transitions all contribute to the perception of quality. Zorin has generally excelled in this area, often looking more polished out of the box than many competitors. The next release is expected to continue this trend, perhaps introducing updated themes, refined animations, improved dark mode consistency, or more dynamic layout options. These changes might seem cosmetic to some, but they profoundly affect daily user satisfaction. Performance is another area where expectations naturally rise. Zorin 18.1 already performs admirably on a wide range of hardware, but Linux users are always hungry for optimization. There is something deeply satisfying about an operating system that feels light, fast, and responsive. Many users likely hope the next release will further reduce resource usage, improve startup times, and refine background process management. For those running older laptops or modest desktop systems, these improvements can make the difference between a machine feeling usable or obsolete. Then there is hardware compatibility, one of the perennial challenges of Linux. While support has improved dramatically over the years, every major release raises hopes for broader out-of-the-box compatibility. Users anticipate better driver support, smoother installation experiences, and fewer post-install tweaks. Wi-Fi adapters, graphics cards, Bluetooth peripherals, touchpads, printers, and audio devices all represent potential friction points. A successful release is one that minimizes these issues and allows users to focus on using their computers rather than troubleshooting them. Gaming support is another area of growing importance. Linux gaming has advanced at an astonishing pace thanks to technologies like Proton and the broader efforts of companies investing in Linux compatibility. Zorin users are no exception to this trend. Many anticipate the next release with hopes of improved gaming integration, updated graphics stacks, and smoother compatibility with major titles. The dream of Linux as a true first-class gaming platform no longer feels unrealistic. Every polished distribution release helps move that dream closer to reality. Software availability also plays a central role in shaping anticipation. Zorin's Software Center and package management approach have generally struck a good balance between accessibility and flexibility. Users expect the next release to continue improving software discovery and installation. Better Flatpak integration, updated repositories, smoother sandboxed application management, and clearer version transparency would all be welcome additions. These features matter because they reduce the barrier between users and the tools they need. Security is another crucial consideration, even if it receives less public excitement than visual redesigns or feature additions. Linux users often value security deeply, and distributions must continuously adapt to evolving threats. Anticipation for the next release includes expectations for updated kernel protections, improved sandboxing options, stronger default privacy measures, and better control over permissions. In an era where digital privacy concerns continue to grow, users increasingly view operating systems as guardians of personal autonomy. For many Zorin users, however, the anticipation is not solely about technical improvements, it is also about identity. Choosing a Linux distribution often reflects values and priorities. Some users prefer bleeding-edge experimentation, others prioritize minimalism or enterprise stability. Zorin has carved out a unique identity centered on accessibility, elegance, and practical usability. The next release represents an opportunity to reinforce that identity or expand it in meaningful ways. There is always a delicate tension in operating system development between evolution and preservation. Change too little, and users may feel stagnation. Change too much, and the system risks alienating the very people who trusted it. This is perhaps the greatest challenge facing the Zorin team as anticipation builds. Users want novelty, but they also want continuity. They want fresh ideas, but not at the expense of the experience they already enjoy. The Linux community often has strong opinions, and no release can satisfy everyone. Some users will demand more aggressive updates and cutting-edge packages. Others will prefer conservative stability. Some will want deeper customization options, while others value simplicity above all. Zorin's challenge is navigating these competing expectations without losing its distinctive character. This balancing act is part of what makes each release so fascinating to watch. The anticipation surrounding a new release also reflects broader trends within desktop computing. Windows users continue to express frustration over forced updates, hardware restrictions, telemetry concerns, and increasing system complexity. This dissatisfaction creates opportunities for Linux distributions positioned as practical alternatives. Zorin has long presented itself as a welcoming gateway for users seeking to escape those frustrations. The next release has the potential to strengthen that appeal even further. Imagine a polished installer that makes migration from Windows almost effortless. Imagine migration tools that import settings, files, and preferences seamlessly. Imagine first-run experiences that guide users gently into Linux concepts without overwhelming them. These are the kinds of improvements that could make the next Zorin release particularly compelling. Accessibility is not just about interface design. It is about reducing every point of friction in the user journey. Existing users also hope for deeper customization options without unnecessary complexity. Zorin's layout switching has been one of its standout features, allowing users to mimic different desktop paradigms with ease. The next release could expand on this concept with more granular controls, smoother transitions, and perhaps entirely new layout philosophies. Giving users more freedom while maintaining simplicity would be a natural evolution. Another area of anticipation is Wayland support. The Linux desktop is gradually transitioning toward Wayland as the future display server protocol, bringing promises of smoother graphics, better security, and modern capabilities. However, this transition has not been entirely painless across distributions. Zorin users are likely watching closely to see how the next release handles this shift. A well-executed implementation could significantly enhance the desktop experience. Battery life improvements would also resonate strongly with laptop users. Linux has historically lagged behind proprietary operating systems in power optimization, though progress has been substantial. If the next release delivers smarter power profiles, improved suspend behavior, and more efficient background task handling, it would significantly enhance portability and practicality. Documentation and support are often overlooked aspects of a distribution's success. One reason many users appreciate Zorin is the approachable documentation and beginner-friendly guidance it offers. Anticipation for the next release includes hopes for even richer support resources, clearer troubleshooting guides, and perhaps more integrated assistance directly within the operating system. There is also excitement around what underlying Ubuntu base updates might bring. Since Zorin builds on Ubuntu's long-term support foundation, major upstream changes often shape what becomes possible. New kernel versions, updated Mesa graphics drivers, improved hardware support, and refreshed package ecosystems all flow downstream. Users may not always focus on these technical foundations, but they profoundly influence the final experience. The emotional aspect of waiting for a release should not be underestimated. Technology often feels impersonal, but operating systems become part of daily life. They are the environments where people work, learn, create, and connect. Anticipating a new release feels a bit like waiting for renovations to a beloved home. There is excitement about improvement, but also concern about what might change. Community speculation naturally fills the gaps between official announcements. Forum threads, social media discussions, and Linux-focused content channels become spaces where users share hopes, theories, and feature wish lists. This speculation is part of the culture. It transforms anticipation into collective participation, reminding users that they are part of something larger than an isolated software product. For content creators and reviewers, the next Zorin release is an event worth analyzing closely. It offers an opportunity to evaluate how far Linux desktop usability has come and how effectively Zorin continues to position itself in an increasingly competitive ecosystem. Every release becomes a snapshot of where user-friendly Linux stands at that moment in time. Some users may wonder whether anticipation is ever fully justified. After all, no release can perfectly fulfill every expectation. Yet anticipation itself serves an important purpose. It reflects investment, curiosity, and belief in progress. It means users care enough about the platform to imagine its future. This is perhaps the clearest sign of Zorin's success. People do not eagerly await the next release of software they feel indifferent about. Anticipation exists because the current experience has earned trust. Users believe the next version matters because previous versions demonstrated thoughtful craftsmanship. As release day eventually approaches, users will likely experience a familiar mix of excitement and caution. Backup routines will begin. Release notes will be scrutinized. Screenshots will be examined for clues. Early reviews will be watched carefully. The decision to upgrade may come immediately for some and cautiously later for others. And then comes the moment of installation, the first boot into a new environment, the initial exploration of what has changed. This is where anticipation transforms into reality. Sometimes the differences are subtle, requiring time to fully appreciate. Other times they are immediately striking. Either way, they represent the culmination of months of waiting. For a Zorin 18.1 user, this journey is more than a software update. It is participation in the ongoing evolution of an operating system that has chosen a very specific path within the Linux world. It is a reminder that thoughtful software design still matters. The next release carries expectations, hopes, and questions. It may introduce bold new ideas or focus on careful refinement. It may surprise users in unexpected ways or deliver exactly the improvements they predicted. Whatever form it takes, its arrival will mark another chapter in Zorin's effort to redefine what a Linux desktop can be. Until then, anticipation remains part of the experience. It lives in every rumor, every wishlist discussion, every quiet hope for smoother performance, better features, and smarter design. It is the anticipation of users who have found something worth waiting for, and perhaps that is the strongest statement any operating system can inspire. Not merely satisfaction with what exists today, but genuine excitement for what comes next. For Zorin 18.1 users, the next release is not just anticipated because it is inevitable. It is anticipated because it carries the promise that the desktop they already enjoy might become something even better.